In this video, we're going to explain the brands filter. The brands filter allow you to choose the brands that you want to be in your website. We have a huge selection of brands that is growing all the time. If you want to have a better overview of the brands, you can go on the brands page on brandsgateway.com/brands, and you're going to be able to filter brands alphabetically and see all the brands that we have. Before choosing the brands, it is important to know what brands and what categories you will import. This is because on the first import in Shopify, you can import a larger number of products. But if you do a second or third or more imports, after that, the number of products is limited by Shopify. There is nothing that we can do here to increase this time and this number. So that is why we recommend that before selecting any brands and before choosing any categories, you have a good business plan that allows you to have a clear selection of the brands. This means that it is good to know if you're focusing more on the luxury brands or medium-end brands or brands or categories between a certain price range or any kind of different business model. All the brands will be pre-selected, but you can remove the selection of all of them and just choose the brands that you want. After choosing the brands that you want, you will just go all the way down and click save. Then the synchronization will start and all of the changes that you've done here going to be implemented on your website. Please note that you can always change and remove and add new brands, but just the time of the import might be longer after the first import.